Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking this awesome recipe about a cake and I'm sure this will be perfect for a birthday, and the recipes is so easy. So if you want to see more of my videos, follow my channel. First of all, let's get 100 grams of whites and 170 grams of sugar. Then let's put it on some hot water. The bowl cannot touch the water. Go mixing it all over till it gets hot. When it's all done, now you can put it into a separate bowl while you be mixing it with a mixer. The most important thing is that the bowl has to be super dry and not greasy at all. The meringues has to be with this consistency. This will take 7 to 12 minutes. Then go adding 30 grams of powdered sugar. Then for 1 minute mix. The meringues are done. Then you can change its color. I'm gonna be using some gel food colorings. You won't need a lot of coloring because the meringues are so easy to color. I will paint it pink and purple. Then I will be putting into some piping bag and doing this type of roses and forms, whichever you like more. Then you put it in the oven in 70 degrees Celsius. Put it in the oven for half an hour. Let's do the cake mix. Take 2 eggs and add 200 grams of sugar. Then mix it. After, you have to add 100 grams of honey. Then 80 grams of butter and 2 tablespoons of salt. Then you put into the pot with hot water. The mixture has to grow a little bit. Then, when you see bubbles, you can take it out. Add 50 grams of flour, then mix again. When the mixture gets thicker, you can mix it with your hands. The mixture has to be not liquid but sticky. Then you can close it with a plastic wrap and leave it for 1 hour. Then we can prepare the forms. We will use 2 and 3. Then when the mass is done, you can spread it out using a little bit of flour so it won't stick to the roller. Then use some more flour and use the forms of the 2 and the 3 to cut the numbers that you want. Then take it out and use it again to do the other ones. After, you just have to bake it. And 180 grams for 7 or 10 minutes. Then you bake all 3 portions of it. Then, if you still have some leftovers, you can use them to making some cookies. I'm doing this heart shape. Let's do the jam. 60 grams with powdered sugar and 60 grams of starch. Then take 200 grams of raspberries and the mixture. After, you just put it into a hot pan and try to mince it or squish it. Then, to lose the seeds, you can use a strainer. After, you just put it in a bagpipe, and let's do the cream. First, take 600 grams of cheese. Then add 250 grams of sugar powder. Then 300 grams or milliliters of milk. Then mix it slowly and then on the maximum speed. It's really important that everything stays cold. Then till it gets this consistency. After, you put it into a bagpipe. Then let's build up the cake. I'm putting this at the bottom so the cake does not slide. Then I'm doing this with almost decorating with the cream and then adding the raspberry cream. On top, put another piece of the cake. And repeat the same. On the last piece, repeat everything, but do not add the raspberry cream. Okay, so let's decorate it. I'm using some macaroons, then the meringues that I baked earlier, some blueberries, and some pearls. Doesn't it look awesome? It looks so yummy. I recommend this recipe so much. I'm sure for a birthday this will be perfect. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, give me a like and follow my channel so you don't forget to watch any of my videos. Thank you for watching again. Goodbye.